So, spare parts then for lifts and stair lifts. So we do stock the most used parts on our vans.
Yeah.
Our engineers are local to you, and you can check out our coverage area on our website. But if we don't happen to have a part, because let's face it, the vans aren't big enough
they
to
really
carry
aren't. However, the
thousands
workshop
of parts that we do.
We do hold a lot in our workshop.
Yeah, we do have a lot of spare parts here in our workshop in Calne and our office in Ferndown as well. So we have got quite a comprehensive range of parts all on our system and in our workshop, so we can find them easily.
And we can supply reconditioned and new, so we can offer that to our customers,
yeah,
can't we?
So
if cost is a
budget,
thing, we can
sure.
offer reconditioned.
And we also obviously deal with the manufacturers direct, so we do offer genuine spare parts as well. So that's absolutely fine. So if you are in need of parts or a repair, then obviously please do give us a call, and we can come out and have a look and see what your lift needs. And I'm pretty sure we'll be able to get a part to sort it out for you.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.